What you say, Sidewinders? Welcome back to another video. We are here at World Finals 13 today. We have got a defending champion and we got a fantastic event as always at the World Finals. Just a regular event. It's been a while. We've been doing a lot of face-offs and we got some more. I got some in mind that I'm going to try to do soon. But for right now, we got 16 fantastic trucks and drivers here at the Monster Jam World Finals, and we're going to introduce them real quick. Introducing first, a legendary truck and driver, a two-time World Finals champion. She's running her design from her farewell tour today. Please welcome Medusa! Next truck out is a fantastic truck and driver. Second generation star running the custom black and red design today. The Apex Predator of Monster Jam. Please welcome Colt Stevens and Thunderosaurus. Next truck out is a legendary truck and driver. Running his design from TNT's Unfinished Business on that updated chassis. Please welcome John Kwasniewski in the Buffalo Trammer. Next truck out is another fantastic truck and driver. Running his design from the Superstar Showdown and the Nitro vs. Neon. Please welcome Cam Murphy and Bakugan Dragonoid Neon. Next truck out, the arm-waving creature is also running a custom design today. Fantastic driver behind the wheel that always does well. Please welcome Barry Musauer in Zombie. Next truck out, another driver running his design from the Superstar Showdown and the Nitro vs. Neon face-off that we done. Fantastic driver and great looking design, World Finals champion. Please welcome Tristan England and Earthshaker Neon. Next truck out, the Crazy Bull is back with his red design this time and a fantastic driver behind the wheel. Looking to charge the competition. Please welcome Lupe Sosa and El Toro Loco. Next truck out, a legendary truck and driver running his debut design for the Kitty Cat Pal today. Always strong and always does well. Please welcome Alan Pizzo in Predator. Over to the right lane now. Next truck out, a legendary truck and driver. He's running something a little different today. He's running a trophy truck body. World Finals champion. Please welcome Mr. Excitement, Jim Kohler and Avenger. Next truck out is a legendary Dodge. I believe we can call him a World Finals champion as well. He won World Finals 0. He's on his newer chassis though, with a fantastic driver behind the wheel from Triple B Motorsports. Please welcome Logan Tweedy in Barefoot. Next truck out is a legendary machine with his newer design and a fantastic Team Gravedigger driver behind the wheel. He's got the McDonald's flag. We'll see if he'll be loving it out here today. Please welcome Randy Brown in Blue Thunder. Next truck out is another fantastic truck and driver. He's not running the diesel engine that he usually runs in this truck, but nonetheless a great looking machine. Looking to run with the big boys out here today. Please welcome Heavy D in Brodozer. Next truck out is another great truck and driver. He's running the pickup design today, and he's running a custom paint scheme with the white and purple. Great looking machine. Please welcome Cody Saucier in Monster Energy. Next truck out is the other half of the Diesel Brothers team. Fantastic truck and driver with his unique design. And this guy's not afraid to go all out. Please welcome Diesel Dave in the Bro Camino. Next truck out, running his gold design, the most accomplished Monster Jam driver of all time, multi-time World Finals champion. Please welcome the Professor, the Legend, Tom Mintz and Max D. And last but not least, if you remember about a month ago, our last regular event in Houston, Texas, this guy was the winner and he has claimed the checkered flag on the back of that legendary 41 Willys. Looking to defend it here at the World Finals. Please welcome Pablo Huffaker in Blacksmith. Alright, round one underway, and we got Medusa going up against Jim Kohler and Avenger. Legendary trucks and drivers to start off the show here. Here they come down Thunder Alley to the turn. You gotta be smooth and fast through the turns to win here. Here they come to the line. We were close. What a race! What a opening race! My goodness, folks. Absolutely fantastic. And it is Medusa getting the win in the first race of round one. Up next, Colt Stevens and Thunder Roris going up against Logan Tweedy and Barefoot. Great trucks and drivers once again. This should be a good one. Colt Stevens a little bit squirrely coming down Thunder Alley, but we got a pretty even race coming around the turn. It's going to be another close one. What a race! My goodness gracious, this is going to be a wild evening of competition, folks. I tell you what, these guys. And it is Thunder Roris. Colt Stevens barely gets the win. Up next, John Kwasniewski and the Buffalo Trimmer going up against Randy Brown and Blue Thunder. Chevy versus Ford, two legendary trucks and great drivers. This should be a good one. John Kwasniewski looking to have a little more success in the Buffalo Trimmer. Randy Brown, a fantastic turn, and he's going to get the win in Blue Thunder. John Kwasniewski still struggling. The Buffalo Trimmer, over he goes. They save it, no, upside down, and Randy Moore moves on. Randy Brown, I'm sorry. Up next, Camden Murphy and Bakugan Dragonoid going up against Heavy D and Brodozer. Great machines and drivers, so this should be another good one. Here they come down Thunder Alley. We got an even one coming around the turn. They both had pretty decent tires. Whoa, Heavy D, a little trouble. He almost nosed it up there. That could have been a wild ride, but it is a close race. But it is Bakugan Dragonoid. Camden Murphy moves on. Up next, Barry Musauer and Zombie going up against Cody Saucier and Monster Energy. Two drivers running custom designs and two drivers that have been very successful in World Finals racing. Here they come to the turn. Who's it going to be? It's another good one coming to the line. But it's going to be Cody Saucier. Monster Energy gets the win in round one and moves on. They both had good runs, but it is Monster Energy crossing first. Up next, Tristan England and Earthshaker going up against Diesel Dave in the Bro Camino. Great trucks and drivers once again. Here they come down Thunder Alley. We got a good one going, coming to the turn. It looks like the Bro Camino has a slight lead, and he has a good turn. So does Tristan England, but it is Diesel Dave. Bro Camino gets the win and moves on. Tristan England still trying to get Earthshaker settled down, and Bro Camino moves on. Up next, Lupe Sosa and El Toro Loco going up against Tom Mintz and Max D. Two of the best drivers in Monster Jam right here, and two trucks that have been around for a long time. Here they come around the turn. We got a good one going. It's a good race. It looks like the bull. It is a close one though. These two drivers always have great competitions, and it is Lupe Sosa. El Toro Loco moves on. Up next, Alan Pizzo and Predator going up against Pablo Huffaker and Blacksmith. Iconic drivers here. Last matchup in round number one. Pablo Huffaker, our defending champion, and Blacksmith. We got a good one coming around the turn. It's going to be a close one. It's a very close race. Very close. Fantastic racing here in round number one. Man, oh man, it is Pablo Huffaker moving on in a close one in Blacksmith. It's time for round number two, and we got Medusa going up against Randy Brown in Blue Thunder. Legendary machines here. This should be a good one. Here they come down Thunder Alley. We got a good one going, coming around the turn. They both have good turns. Medusa almost washes out, and that might have cost her some ground, as it's gonna be Randy Brown in Blue Thunder getting the win. They were pretty much even, and Medusa almost washed out in the turn. Up next, Colt Stevens and Thunder Roris going up against Diesel Dave in the Bro Camino. These two have both been doing very well. This should be another good race coming to the turn. We got a pretty good one. They both slide around the turns, and it's gonna be Diesel Dave in the Bro Camino. Another impressive run there for him, and he gets the win. Up next, Lupe Sosa, El Toro Loco going up against Cody Saucier and Monster Energy. Great trucks and drivers again. This should be a good one as they come down Thunder Alley. We got a good one going. A great turn for Lupe Sosa, but Cody Saucier has a good turn as well. In Monster Energy, it's a close one. A very close one. Lupe Sosa still trying to get the bull settled down, and it is Lupe Sosa. El Toro Loco moves on. Up next, Cam Murphy, Bakugan Dragonoid going up against Pablo Huffaker and Blacksmith. Again, two great trucks and drivers. Pablo Huffaker trying to make it to his second straight semifinals. He's got a good opponent in Cam Murphy. He always does good in Dragonoid. They both have good turns, but it looks like Pablo Huffaker has done it again. Cam Murphy in a little trouble. What a save. He didn't even touch the ground there with the top of that truck. And Pablo Huffaker does win in Blacksmith. On to the semifinals now. Lupe Sosa, El Toro Loco, and Randy Brown in Blue Thunder. Fantastic trucks and drivers that have been around for a long time, and they have both been flying. Here they come to the turn. We got a good one going, and it's gonna be El Toro Loco There goes the bull. He's upside down, but he does win it. They both had great turns, but Lupe Souza and El Toro Loco wins it. Up next, Diesel Dave in the Bro Camino, and Pablo Huffaker and Blacksmith. Winner moves on to join El Toro Loco for the championship race. Both of these guys have been great. Pablo Huffaker looking for his second straight. Diesel Dave looking for his first. It's a good race, but it looks like Blacksmith once again. Over goes Diesel Dave. Can he save it? No. He's on his side, and Pablo Huffaker is going to his second straight finals.